Start.
Welcome to the project Wireless Board Control with Duplex Communication. Here the wireless communication used network is ZigBee. So this is the entire communication network from the transmitter section to the receiver. In this project the transmitter section is nothing but where the control unit you are going to control the board. So this is at the seashore. Here you can see there is a microcontroller unit which is interfaced to input and output modules, and here this is the input module where you have the control buttons. To make the board movement forward, F, to make the board movement backward, B, left, L, and right, R. So using these 4 control buttons I can control the board movement. And coming to these 4 switches, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for every switch I can operate one particular relay in that particular board. So here 1 is to on the switch and 0 is to off the switch. So this is for the first relay, this is for the second relay, this is for the third relay, and this is for the fourth relay. So 4 relay switches can be controlled wirelessly from the transmitter section to the board. So here this is interfaced to the microcontroller. And there is one more button. This button is used to know the sensors information inside the board, like temperature, gas, or else fire alert, anything. So here coming to this is the transmitter section. And after from the transmitter section, whenever you give the commands, here the board is going to control. There are 2 motors. So these 2 motors are fixed at the sides of the board, and when the 2 motors move the forward direction, it's nothing but like clockwise direction, the board moves to forward, and when the 2 motors moves to anti-clockwise, it goes with the backward direction, and one motor to clockwise, another motor to anti-clockwise, left direction, and the vice versa is for the right. So in case, so just we'll test the output. So this is for the switches. So you can see the device getting switched on off. You can see here one LED is getting switched on off, indicating for every relay switch to control from transmitter section. So here if at all I press the backward, you can see the 2 motors rotating anti-clockwise. The board moves backward. When it goes with the forward, now clockwise. It's nothing but the board moves to forward direction. So when I give right command, one clockwise, another anti-clockwise. When I go with the left, vice versa. So now coming to this particular button, indicates me the information about the sensors. Now this is your temperature sensor, indicates you any kind of fire alert, and gives also a live temperature reading on the LCD at the transmitter section. So this is your LPG leakage gas sensor, so which detects any kind of leakage of gases occur at the board. And this is your obstacle sensor. If at all any obstacle finds in this particular sensor, gives you alert. And this is one emergency button. If at all inside the board any creation of emergency is required, this button is going to give the input. And this is the L293D motor driver, which is used to drive the motors according to the commands given by the transmitter. Just we'll see like about the fire and all the detection. So whenever I press this particular button at the transmitter section, so now if at all any obstacle comes to the board, I get a buzzer at the transmitter section. Obstacle detected. And just we'll check for the LPG one. So when you put and the gas is detected, you can get again an alarm. Now same thing with the fire. So if at all you detect any kind of fire at the temperature sensor, you can get an alarm. So in this way you can get the live parameters readings wirelessly from board section to the transmitter section. So this is the entire unit through which we can get the live parameters wirelessly using ZigBee communication. Thank you.
Start. Right. Back. Back. Forward. Forward. आगे कुछ सकते ना ले अपना बैक राइट I said right. Stop. Forward. Back. Forward. Okay, fine. Back. Forward. Right.